to get the
As
EEOC
an
to
employment
investigate
lawyer,
your discrimination
one of the
charge.
things I find very frustrating is when you go and file a charge of discrimination with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, the EEOC often closes the case within 1 or 3 days, or maybe within a week of the charge being filed, and they don't bother investigating the case at all. They just take the charge and then they close it, and they don't do anything with it. So here's what I've learned to increase your chances of getting your EEOC charge investigated by the EEOC. Number one, make sure that the charge has enough facts in there to support the prima facie case of the discrimination charges that you're trying to make. So if you check off a box for race or check off a box for sexual harassment, make sure you provide concise statements that meets all the prima facie elements for that charge of discrimination. Number two, provide the date of harm. Number three, you have to identify your comparator. Now, I don't think you have to just get a charge file, but this is the new standards, the new procedure that the EEOC is using. They want you to identify another employee that is in a similar position you are. The law calls it a comparator, and that was not subjected to discrimination. How were they treated? So, date of harm and comparators. I think that it's also important to keep in mind that the EEOC is looking for disparate impact claims. So you want to provide enough facts so that the EEOC can analyze and see whether or not the pattern of discrimination or harassment that you're complaining about affects a large group of people, a large group of workers. And that's something that would pique their interest, and it will increase their chance of taking your charge and spending the time and resources to investigate it. So I hope those three things help. Good luck with filing your EEOC charge, and just remember, it's not the worst thing that can happen. If they close your case really early and give you a right to sue letter, it just means they didn't